is up my dudettes and dudettes. This is BunGunFun and I am playing once again all this white noise. I played it before but that was a while ago and I thought I'd play it now for a good night scare. So it is ready. I'm thinking of talking. Here we go, someone talking. Yeah. Yes, I'm filming. I don't want my tail. Okay, where is everybody? Who's who? Oh, I found someone who's talking. Greasy board. Behind you. Oh, it's been ages since I played this game. I can tell what difficulty is the song? Oh, right. No, don't split up. If you split up, we'll all die. Stop running away from me. Oh my god! Don't die! Don't die! Don't die! Oh! Oh my god! 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 Somehow got me. Okay. I need a bloody HD PVR to film all this. Just looking at all this makes me want to put on. So I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put this song on. Just looking at all this beautiful blue and green. Where's my Christmas? Oh, there you are. Okay, where's the song? Here we are, beautiful song. Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with the blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen to. I'm BunGunFun,
Draco's buggered off, so they're gonna die. Yeah, never go away from the team. You will get fucked up. I'm BunGunFun. Now I do that. I will kill you. And I'm a pole that's on this thing because I'm super. Okay, let's do it. No, it's over here. I remember this map. It's over here. It's been cut in half. That's 2. Draco. Draco. Your character has fat ass. Your character has fat ass. Okay. Where is everyone? These are both buggered off from each other. One of these is gonna die. Oh, he buggered off quick, didn't he? I wanna see who dies first. I'm gonna call White Noise Twitchy Head. Because every time you look at him, he always has a fucking twitchy head. How long has this been going on for? 7 minutes. 8 minutes, in fact. Sexy gamer's gonna die. Do not kill yourself. You will be the last surviving hero of the woods. Where have you gone? Oh man, you shot yourself. Now you're in that motion where you're scraping your ass across the floor. Do this. He did. He did. I can hardly hear you. One sec. Okay, ready. I don't think I'm gonna survive this long. I'm gonna do the last video. I'm gonna do the last game, and then I'm probably gonna stop YouTubing this. Oh, Jesus, pardon me. Hey guys, you too. You wanna listen? You wanna listen to my special song? I'll put it on now for you. You jelly bro, ain't you? Okay, I'll finish it now. But I'm listening to the fucker. My dudes and dudettes can listen to this. Ooh 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 ah ah. Ooh 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 ah ah. Ooh 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 ah ah. So when are we gonna start this? Enjoy it. What? Yeah. Ooh 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 ah ah. Ooh 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 ah ah. Okay, there we go, my dudes and dudettes. So, listen to this song there. Fun time is over. No, I don't. I don't play games like Battlefield. No, I gave away my. At the moment, I'm making White Noise and Silent Hill Homecoming videos, so I'm a bit occupied at the moment. Did he leave? I think I've got about 20. Oh, you know what? I might just end it here. Because. Yeah, okay, so. What's that? Okay, I'll do this and do that. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and become a dude. I'll do that today, and I will see you, and I shall see you guys later.